Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at scheduling reports in CRM 2011. I can confirm I'm using the web version to show you this, exactly the same process in the Outlook version. Now, scheduling of reports. When you want to schedule a report, you must use an existing report. Now, reports are very similar to Advanced Find in the sense that they're dynamic, which means you use filter criteria to select specific records that you want. But these records, well, the data type will automatically update itself with new records if new records created falls into that criteria. Now, the point of scheduling reports is for an historic snapshot of data. So, say for example, you want to create a set of reports where you can actually compare historic data. You will need to schedule reports because using the out-of-the-box reports would not do the trick. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm just going to navigate from Workplace into the Reports area CRM. Now I've got a report here called Leads by Annual Revenue, and what I'm going to simply do is I'm going to run that report. Now this is an out-of-the-box report, and what it does is it takes a look at the owner of the lead and the annual revenue that lead actually makes, or the leads company actually makes. What I did for this particular report, I created a graph, and the raw data is there, and the system groups the information by the owner of the lead. Now, as I previously said, if my manager wanted me to pull off several reports, maybe over a period of a month, because they want to compare the reports on a weekly basis, then dynamic reports would not do the trick. What we'll have to do is schedule, and that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to go ahead and close this report. And scheduling is really straightforward. You simply select the report, the dynamic report that you want to schedule, and then you hit the functionality to schedule reports here. And the system will say, what would you like to do? On demand, in other words, right now, or on a schedule. I'm going to select on a schedule and hit next. And now it's really straightforward. We're just going to go ahead and use the wizard. So I'm going to select weekly. I'm going to say I want this report run every Monday, and I want it to be I want it running just before the meeting, so I want to run it at 8:30 a.m. Every Monday. You'll notice it says run report every 1 week, so I could change that to whatever number I like. If I say run report every 1 week, it means run this report every week. I could change it to 2, then it would be every other week if I wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. The start date by default would be today's date. I'm going to put the end date as an example. I'm going to say what I want it to run for a month, so let's go ahead and have that run for a month. Click next. I can, if I want to, edit my filters. I'm not going to because I'm happy with the filters that's currently there for the existing report. Hit next again, and finally create. And it's actually really that straightforward. And now what would happen is, if I go ahead and hit finish, you'll notice that underneath lead by annual revenue, there's lead by annual revenue scheduled, and it gives a specific date of when it's scheduled for. And what the system will do is it will go ahead and create that report, which will be a historic snapshot, and then the following week it will create the next report, and the next report, and the next report. So what you'll find underneath the original lead by annual revenue report, you'll actually collect 4 different reports, well, 4 of the same report that will show different data because it's an historical snapshot. Okay, so I just showed you how to schedule reports in CRM 2011. Thank you.